I'm Curt Nurenburg with Rehmann's Dental Practice Management Advisors. I've been working with dental practitioners for over 15 years, and I look forward to educating and creating awareness to help you reach your personal and professional goals. Embezzlement in a dental office is defined by a team member taking something from the practice owner that necessarily is not theirs. When looking for ways to protect your practice against embezzlement, it's very important on an ongoing basis to double check adjustments within patients' ledgers to make sure that the adjustments made were warranted. I had a case where we looked, there were insurance adjustments that were made within a patient's ledger, and that patient did not have any type of insurance coverage. When somebody asks me what the motivating factors for an individual to embezzle from a practice, in many cases it includes a divorce of a team member, a death member of a team member's immediate family, a child getting into some legal problems, maybe even gambling of that existing team member. Techniques that are used when embezzling from a dental office really is a large scope, but some of the most common ones are inappropriate reporting of hours on a timesheet, pulling money right directly from a petty cash or a change drawer, pocketing cash, and then writing those charges off on that patient ledger as an insurance write-off, a professional courtesy that ultimately the doctor did not grant or the insurance company did not mandate. And then lastly, one big one would be is if an individual has check writing availability or responsibilities within a practice, they issue a check to a family member or themselves or even pay their own utility bill. They'll record a different vendor when issuing it within the software. If you suspect somebody is embezzling from your practice, the key things you need to do: 1, stay stealth. Don't identify to anybody within the office that you believe that there's a problem. 2, back up your systems and making sure that you preserve the evidence that you have in front of you. And then lastly, contact an advisor who has experience dealing with a situation such as this. Embezzlement in a dental office can happen at any time, when you least expect it, by individuals you least expect it from. One key aspect is to make sure that 1, you're looking at things, or at least make sure they believe you're looking at things. And most importantly, keep your own hands clean. Don't muddy the waters that are in front of you. When hiring new employees, make sure that ultimately you call on references, as well as completing a background check, especially if somebody is going to be handling money within your practice. A background check will encompass 1, their credit, as well if there's ever been any charges or misdemeanors on their record for prior activities. One other activity you can implement to protect against embezzlement is to make sure every patient that comes into your practice that has treatment done and makes a payment receives a walkout statement for the payment that they made for that day.